Hello guys, you use my phone Samsung Galaxy M20. Start unpacking, open box, and look complementation. In complementation we have device in the ocean blue color, adapter for charging, and USB Type-C cable, and this key for SIM slot. This is all complementation without headphones. And now talk about the phone. Phone made of plastic. On the front side we have 6.3-inch display, talk speaker, front camera and sensors. On the back side double camera LED and fingerprint scanner. Left side we have slot, this slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On the right side power key and volume keys, upside without controls. Downside headphone jack, USB Type-C port, speaker and microphone. Okay, turn on device. Look, settings, about phone, Android version 8.1.0, version Samsung Experience 9.5. Okay, wireless display, open Geekbench 4 and talk about system information. CPU, Samsung Exynos 7904, this is octa-core processor 4 plus 2 cores, 6 plus 2 cores. 6 cores work 1.6 GHz and 2 cores work 1.7 GHz. RAM memory 4 GB, Intel memory 64 GB, GPU Mali G71. Look, results. CPU test results, single core score and multi-core score. Comparison. And GPU test results and comparison. Close Geekbench 4, open next test, AnTuTu benchmark, look AnTuTu benchmark score and ranking. AnTuTu benchmark score, ranking. Device support 10 touches. Ranking load. Okay, I show you ranking and skip loading. Ranking load. And what we have? Samsung Galaxy Note 8, Snapdragon version, and my device. Close this. Open next test, game test, open demanded game PUBG Mobile, and look gameplay. Game load. Okay. Walk smooth. This medium graphic level. Okay, PUBG Mobile works good on medium graphic level. Close this. And now talk about camera. Front camera 8 megapixels. And main camera 13 plus 5 megapixels. And now I show you photos on main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.